it-tim tagħna ltaqa' mat-tim ta' Form Matters sabiex jitkixxef dwar id-disinn tal-aħħar kollezzjoni tagħhom mgħammda Il-qalba.
Il-qalba, the name Il-qalba came about from the village core.
Initially we started off from Ormi because both myself and Neil hold the locality quite close to heart. After exploration of these core villages, we identified these features and started to sketch these ideas and try to bring them to life through these wall reliefs.
I was always inspired. I always loved this idea of the village core. Form Matters started in the late 2020s, and the idea was to use my passion for design and the lack of awareness there is on the islands to cultural heritage and especially architectural, cultural heritage, and combine them together.
Il-qalba is a collection that was designed after Form Matters was commissioned by a local design concept store eclecticist. And the aim of this collection, I would say, is that we wanted to initiate, or rather to be part of a conversation that myself, Neil and Enrica were having regarding the boom in the construction industry locally in recent years and how features in our local architecture are at risk of being lost.
We're mostly inspired by architecture built in the 20th century, mostly that inspired by neoclassical and modernist movements.
It took us quite not a long time, but a relatively period of time to decide on the final designs and also the perfect material and finishes that we felt that make the collection seem as a one coherent whole. So initially the pieces are 6, but there are 2 variations in colour, so that makes 8 pieces in total.
Which are both functional and aesthetical, and being able to get them, to bring them into people's homes, where these details are highlighted and can be enjoyed by individuals. The material is inspired by terrazzo, which is traditionally a cement and marble mixture.
We used material that is sourced locally.
The idea was to use this material to create artworks which emulate the beauty in these buildings.
It was actually made up of marble waste, so we wanted to emphasize on the importance of recycling and also on sustainability. Each piece has a different narrative that we wanted to focus on. So the bookend is actually named after Cittadella, so it's Castello. The Castello is the foreign name. Umilissima, the ashtray, is actually designed on the area sketch of Valletta. So as we all know, Valletta has a grid layout, a grid format. Then we have also 4 wall reliefs that were all inspired by different architectural features and characteristics in local facades in different localities in the Maltese Islands.
Il-qalba came from a reaction to our village cores being lost, changed by the many buildings which are being introduced in our surroundings. So the idea is to continue celebrating our architectural heritage through product design.